Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got something really cool to share with you today, especially if you've ever wanted to get into the AI space, sell digital products, or just create amazing content without having to write everything from scratch. I recently came across something called the AI Character Prompt Builder, and honestly, it blew me away with how simple, smart, and profitable it can be. So I figured, why not do a full review and show you exactly what it is, how it works, and why I think it's one of the easiest ways to launch your own digital business right now. Let me start by saying this isn't your average AI tool. It's not an app, it's not a complicated platform. It's literally just a Google sheet. But before you scroll away thinking, well, how powerful can a spreadsheet be? Let me tell you. This thing is slick. The AI Character Prompt Builder is a fully interactive, drop-down-based prompt generator that lets you build super detailed AI character prompts in seconds. You just open the sheet, click through a few drop-down menus like Profession, Outfit, Vibe, Background, and boom, it spits out a full, structured prompt that's ready to go into ChatGPT, DALL, Midjourney, or whatever AI tool you're using. And here's the magic. It comes with full, unrestricted PLR rights. That means you don't just get to use it for your own stuff. You can rebrand it, sell it, bundle it, use it as a bonus in your own course, or even flip it into your own version and launch a product with your name on it. No attribution required, no limitations. You own it completely. And for someone like me who's always looking for smart digital assets that I can either use for content creation or flip into products, this kind of flexibility is gold. Now let's talk about the actual experience of using it. The interface is super clean and user-friendly. You don't need to know any coding or advanced prompt engineering. Everything is driven by drop-downs. You pick a profession, maybe a futuristic chef, or a vintage detective. Then you choose an outfit, a pose, maybe add a few accessories, pick a background color, and within seconds, you've got a vivid, character-rich prompt that looks like it came straight from an action figure box. It's really fun to play with, and even more fun to see the results you can generate with those prompts in AI image tools. But the builder itself is only part of what you get. The package also includes 30 example prompts you can use as inspiration or remix into your own prompt packs. That alone is a huge time saver if you're not sure where to start or what kind of characters to create. There's also a visual gallery of mock-ups in Canva, which makes it super easy to showcase your prompts in listings, on social media, or in pitch decks for clients. Everything's editable, which means you can fully customize the look and feel to match your brand. What I love most is how many different ways you can use this. If you're a freelancer, you can use it to create branded prompts for your clients in just a few clicks. If you're a coach or course creator, you can use it to help clients visualize their ideal identity or customer avatar. If you sell digital products, you can create themed prompt packs for Etsy or Gumroad. And if you're a social media creator, these prompts are perfect for viral content. Think TikTok videos showing off your AI characters, or Instagram carousels with those action figure-style mock-ups. It's also scalable. Since it's just a spreadsheet, you can duplicate it, edit it, and expand it however you want. Want to make a niche version for pet influencers or startup founders or fantasy role-playing characters? You can. Want to add more drop-downs or change the categories to match your audience? Go for it. It's completely in your control. Overall, this is one of the easiest, smartest tools I've seen in the prompt selling space. It removes all the friction. No need to be a writer, no need to learn software, no need to create content from scratch. Just click, copy, and go. And with the PLR rights, it's more than just a tool. It's a business in a box. If you're looking to build a brand, offer a unique service, or just make some extra cash with AI, the AI Character Prompt Builder gives you everything you need to hit the ground running. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment if you have any questions, and of course, subscribe if you want more reviews like this. I'll leave the link below if you want to check out the builder for yourself. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one.